Hello, cryptocurrency miners, Web3 blockchain technology, future millionaires. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Crypto Guru, and in today's video, I want to give you good news about this particular mining called MePass. Now, how can this mining benefit you? This mining is very hard, but every zero point 0.1 coin you get, you are going to sell it for 700 naira. So how can you be able to start this MePass mining? So as you can see, currently I have 0.2, which is like 1,400, and I just registered on this mining. So if you want to join, just click the link below and register just like other apps, right? After registering, what I want to show you right now is how can you be able to mine. Once you enter the app, the first thing you need to do is to check this below right here, right? This below right here. Now let's tap on check-in, right? Let's tap on check-in. This place right here, so you can see it right here. To check in, I didn't mine yesterday. You just tap on check-in, scroll down, then you tap here. Without watching this step, you are not going to know how to mine. So if you check right here, there's some words, right? There's some words I want to show you. Just look carefully so that you won't miss any step. This is it right here. This place, you can see they wrote enhance happiness for a better life. So this is exactly what you're going to put right here. You are just going to repeat the same words, right? So let's get in. You just put it enhance. Start with capital letter, right? Just enhance happiness for a better life, right? Better life. So as you can see, once you put it correct, you are going to see on-chain checking. Then you tap here and then you tap confirm. So you can see that you can mine every day by using this pattern, right? You put your password, right? Put your password and then you see you're good to go. So this is how to mine every day, and the more you gather, each of the coin is 17,000 naira. So keep mining and make sure 7,000, sorry. So keep mining and you earn like this. Anytime you earn, you can be able to sell the token and I'll buy it, right? We'll buy it. I am even buying it currently. So if you want to join MePass, use the link I'm going to drop in the description below. And if you have any question also, just ask me and I'll answer you in the comment section. And also you can also reach out to me on WhatsApp if you have anything you want to discuss with me. So this is the platform right here. It's very easy to mine and also very easy to check in daily and earn money 700 naira every day. So join this mining and you are going to benefit from it. If there's any update about this mining, I'll be dropping it in this channel. I'll see you guys in the next update. Thank you.